When I first stumbled across the old typewriter in the attic, it was buried beneath layers of dust and forgotten boxes. It was a peculiar find, given that there were no ribbons or paper nearby. Yet, that night, I heard the unmistakable sound of keys tapping, echoing through the silence of my apartment. Curious and unnerved, I approached the typewriter, finding its platen empty but feeling an inexplicable chill run down my spine. The next day, I was nearly hit by a car at the intersection. Each evening since, the typewriter clatters away, seemingly typing warnings about mundane events that later turn dangerous. A text from a friend, a knock at the door, all predicted with eerie precision. Tonight, the typing started again, relentless and frantic. As I leaned closer, trying to decipher the invisible message, a sudden realization hit me: the warnings aren't about the world outside. They're about something inside, something that doesn't want me to leave. The clattering suddenly